going to show you how to set up the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button till you see the Samsung logo. Once it boots up, we should be at this welcome screen right here. From here, choose your language. I'm going to go with US, English, click on Start. For your review, go ahead and read through these. The first two must be selected to proceed. This last one down here, this one is optional. So this is up to you, all right? So I'm fine with all three toggled on. I'm gonna tap on agree. Easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically, copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep your other phone or tablet nearby and unlocked, and you can choose if you have a Galaxy or Android phone or iPhone or iPad down here. Or for myself, I want a clean, fresh install, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Setup Manually. Choose a Wi-Fi network. I can skip that, or I can go ahead and you can do it later. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and do this now, so I can get that latest update. Put in my Wi-Fi password. After you enter your Wi-Fi password, we're going to tap on Connect. That was the wrong password. I just re-entered. It should connect now. Yep, it says connected right there. Preparing for mobile connection. So for your mobile network, you can choose any of these, or you can go ahead and insert a physical SIM card if you wish. And you can do any of this right now, or you can do it after setup. For myself, I'm going to do it after setup, okay? And what I'm going to do is insert a physical SIM in the next video, okay? So for myself, for right now, setup later in settings. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more from a different device. Okay, so if you want to do that, you tap on next right here, and you can use an Android phone or tablet or another Galaxy phone, iPhone, or iPad. Okay, but for myself, I'm going to click back on here, and I'm going to click on Don't Copy for a fresh, clean install on this phone for myself. Your Google sign in, basically your Gmail. You can sign in now, or you can do it later. For myself, I'm just going to do it later, so I'm going to tap on skip. Tap on skip right there, and skip right there for myself. Google services, these are all optional. Use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data. So this is all up to you, okay? For me, I'm fine having all those toggled on, and I will tap on accept. Protect your phone. You can go ahead and put in a password if you wish, or you can go ahead and skip it. I would advise just put something in now, okay? So for myself, I'm just going to go ahead and put a pin in, and then later on, I'll do the fingerprint and Face ID later, okay? So let me go ahead and choose a 6-digit pin here. And after you put it in, tap on continue, and then reconfirm one more time. And then I'll tap on OK right there. Your Samsung account, you can go ahead and sign in. You can use a QR code, your email, phone, or like myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip this. So for myself, I'm going to click on down here, forgot password or don't have an account. I'm going to click on that right there, and then I'm going to tap down here, set up later in settings. And then why do you need a Samsung account? You can see why you need a Samsung account, and then you can sign in from there again, or you can skip, and then you can always do it later if you wish as well. Samsung legal service legal information. You need to check the terms and conditions. You can go ahead and read the details in order for you to proceed, okay? And all these ones are optional down here. So that's up to you, okay? For myself, I'm just going to keep the first one checked. And then it says more down here. I'm going to scroll down, and now it says agree. So I just agree with that right there. Samsung service permissions, customization service, and smart suggestions. These are optional, up to you. I'm fine with having them both on. I would tap agree for myself. Choose your display mode. Do you want light mode, where it's like light, or do you like it dark? Okay, most of you guys will like it dark. I like dark as well, so I'm going to go with that. You're all set up. Tap on finish right there. And voila, we are in business. And if you guys want to know how to insert the physical SIM card, watch the next video. The link will be in the description below. All right.